OCD is 100% curable.
OCD means obsessive compulsory disorder, obsessive thoughts and compulsory behavior. The root cause of OCD is fear, anxiety, doubt, confusion, indecisiveness, seriousness, fear of failure, fear of rejections, fear of committing mistakes, and there are many fears. This is basically a mental illness and there is no role of medicines for its treatment. OCD is curable sometime in 1 month and sometime it takes 3 months. It does not take more than 3 months to cure OCD. My name is Dr. Kailash Mantri. I am a life coach and a mental health consultant. We have developed a very transparent test. We have named it as mind mapping test. There are more than 500 questions. The test is given by the patients only, and within an hour it is clear to the patients as to the root cause of OCD. There are 3 symptoms of OCD. First is the person all the time doubts whether the gas is kept on or off, whether the door is locked or not. They are full of doubts and confusions. Second is they are full of fear of death, fear of ill health, fear of germs getting into. So they keep on washing hands, they keep on taking baths for hours. And the third category is, which is minor category, that they keep on accumulating unwanted things. OCD is basically anxiety disorder. It is a higher version of anxiety disorder. Now let's understand the root cause of OCD. OCD comes only when there is a family disturbance, when there is a family disconnect, when somebody is dominating the child in his early age, all the time finding mistakes of the child, and the child becomes fearful and his anxiety increases, and that causes OCD. OCD sometimes is at the thinking level also. The person has got repetitive thoughts, and very often the thoughts may be about sex also. OCD also comes when there are uncertainty, when there is insecurity, when there are tensions, and the person is all the time confused, all the time protective, all the time feeling that somebody will harm him and he has to protect himself, and he does not live a normal life. The marriage life of a OCD patient is also a failure. The working life of a OCD patient is also a failure. The OCD patient has to suffer for the whole life. The struggle is for the whole life. But the good news is OCD is 100% curable, and the progress could be seen in 10 days, and it does not take more than 3 months to cure OCD with our latest research on OCD.